Why do 90% of astronauts report weird sounds in space? Let's dive into this mystery. Picture this, you're floating in the vast, silent expanse of space when suddenly a strange noise breaks the silence. That's exactly what happened to NASA astronaut Butch Wilmore on Boeing's Starliner. Wilmore reported hearing an unusual sound from the spacecraft. It wasn't your typical space hum or creak. He described it as a mysterious, almost eerie noise. Now, before you think aliens, hold on. Engineers believe it could be a mechanical vibration or a pressure change, but the exact cause, still a head-scratcher. What makes this fascinating is how sound behaves differently in space. No air, no sound waves like on Earth. So what's making noise in the vacuum of space? We're all ears, NASA. Stay tuned for updates on this cosmic conundrum. And if you love space mysteries, hit that like button.